fake. Even then, you know fake. It cannot do anything. It cannot help your life. This is our tradition, and we are the people of. Our tradition is the most peaceful tradition in the world.
Sure.
I pray in this Africa that one day our tradition will escalate to a level that me Ezobi, I will preside in your affairs.
Biko na-ewekwana iwe na ozi mmanụ na-abata n'ikem biko nwa vidiyo nchọkwu nne n'ebe alụsi ego ezuru alụsi ego na Asaba na-asị na omenala ya etekikwa n'ụzọ ụwa ya na alụsi ọ na-efe nakwa ya bụ otimeti wee na-asị na ike niile dị n'aka Chukwu na onye na-efe alụsi kịta na akwa Chukwu ji ndụ ya maka aka niile anụ ha na-ama na ihe igwe niile sikwara n'ụzọ biko nụ ene vidiyo kwa ụnụ fụ ebe kere afọ ya anọ alụsi ego na Asaba na-ama aka dị egwu aka anụ nwa ọ na-ama ọ dịzikwara ya egwu biko nụ nenekwa na soro nụ mfụwa ihe nwa nna afọ n'anya bụ ihe gbọrọzikwa ọgbara Igbo ghali
when we come out and start telling people that traditional weight is the best, nobody wanted to hear. No money actually. I have no job for the no cabia. But you and the bloggers ego can you put on the Omenala? I can put on the Pharisee. You join India the more developed, more than Nigeria. Whenever India bro Christian, I don't think that you will see Christian in India. They are Hindus. The Jews. When you go to China, where will you change China left? You don't like China, which one left? They are serving the God of Christians. But they are doing fine. Everybody is doing fine. They are doing well. Man, the Russia. Man, they don't Nigeria ever. Once even never am agwu. Isn't in America. Once you are not a Christian, then I've had the number. Once you are not a Christian, they will be fighting against you because they want your own religion to disappear. Are they possible? We will die in this tradition. We will die in this tradition. I will die in this tradition. Ever no. Tradition is what I believe so much in. This is where life is. And they want to help you. Because all these people, they know that they don't have anything to offer. So when Christianity, when they come out, they will start paying bloggers to say this, can you put out? They don't have anything to offer. One more base will be back. Want something to offer. One more base will be back. Call Abu. You want no show to an email show to them. You want to be back. You think what you never want. All base will be get me. All base will be. Call Abu that stroke. Could you see any? One side of the wall. All base will be get your pattern borough. Tina million and more than one. But to know. Mana, I'm not confused when I see a tradition man. Can they not body even? No pastor, no church, and they don't have anything to offer. But when you are there, what baptize you and I cotton? Omenala, what when they are some of us see men can antichrist no man. Ndi never change money. All these people you are seeing, they will tell you, they will say this about tradition, say this about tradition. They don't have anything to offer. More base will be never. Gabu mother da. I want mother on the daro. No, ya mando. You bought it on ado. Manda coconado. Oga Bakota Beba movies will be never. Yes, you walk over them. I know how many people, thousands of children that have epilepsy. Monday they paralyzed, one side stroke. More base will be. I will give them medicine. I will give them traditional medicines. I will give them tradition, I will give them herbals. They will get themselves again. But later, after all these churches, when the pastor and bribe people, they will be paying bloggers to talk bad against us. Why they know that in this society, they have nothing to offer. When you come out, you start forcing people to leave their own religion and come and join your Christianity. Is that how to live? This is my religion. And I pray, we are in Africa, this is African religion. I pray that one day, tradition will take over Africa. And me, Ezobi, I will preside against you that is talking more evil about us. I will preside in your affairs. You people that is talking more bad against our own culture, our own tradition, our own life of living, our own belief. This is my belief. We worship Oracle. Tradition is our belief. In our own religion, this is Oracle. That is where we worship. This is my religion. I have no apologies to anybody. I have no apologies to any rat. I have no apologies to any coward. They are preaching evil. They are preaching bad against us for you to hate us. You are doing yourself. You people are the ones to suffer it tomorrow. Allow them to continue dominating. After dominating, you people will suffer it tomorrow. Sure. Only tradition can save you. Sure. This is our African tradition. Sure. Anybody that is doing this tradition, I love the person so much. With all my heart. We can defend ourselves anywhere we go. We are not evil. We are not doing evil. Anywhere you want to, anywhere you took us, we are going there to defend ourselves. Sure. Sure. Because we know what we are doing. We are the last hope of common man. We are the last hope of common man. Anything that does not exist does not exist. Sure. If you pray from here till next tomorrow, if you don't do any practical work, it can never exist. They want to silence us. They want to make us cowards. No. We are not cowards. They are the cowards because they don't have anything to offer. I pray in this Africa that one day our tradition will escalate to a level that me Ezobi, I will preside in your affairs. Everybody should come back to our tradition. This is where we belong. This is where we belong. When you come back earlier the better. You start seeing things. This is where we belong. Olive oil is fake. Even though I know fake, it cannot do anything. It cannot help your life. This is our tradition. And we are the people of our tradition is the most peaceful tradition in the world. Sure. A tradition that we can kill anything here, we can share all of them together. We will not hide anyone inside. One love. This is one love tradition. This our tradition is for peace. So believe you me, we are the best. Let everybody be. If the Christians want to be on their own, let them be. Let them leave us. We are doing our tradition. You cannot just come out and start telling people to criticize us. You cannot come out and start criticizing us. Start paying bloggers to talk many things, many bad things against us. So that they will see us as black people. They will punish us black in your own front. For you to keep on your fake Christianity, fake packaging churches. It can never happen. Sure. This our tradition must prevail. Traditional national song ke ga adimo. Mbe so bụ na mmiri na-ezo oge ji anaze mmiri. So bụ na agụ na agụ mere road. Nwa ka a ga-abụ. Road ga-eru abaraba. Otu anyị jikwa ka oge ji dị. We are not fighting anybody. Yes. You people should leave us. Let us practice our own religion. Yes. That is what we came for. Sure. From forefathers. Eji m n'aka unu na channel video Igbo biko nyela aka gbasapụ oge subscribe gwa na this channel ka ọ dị na mgbe ọzọ.